Hi guys, my name is Najiha binti Ridwan and I'm taking the test and I'm 19 years old like a baby.
Hello, my name is Nujis Biankana Bakir and I'm taking BCE and I'm 20 years old.
Hi, my name is Dorothy Babu. I'm taking Diploma Early Childhood Education.
My name is Farah Fauzana binti Husni. My course is DMLT, which is Diploma Medical and Military Technologies.
Dorothy, let's begin with the basic. Can you explain what food waste means?
Yes, food waste happens when food that is still edible is discarded or spoiled. This includes food from household, restaurants, supermarkets, or even during transportation and storage. It is a serious problem because it wastes resources and contribute to pollution.
Can you give some real-life example of how food is waste?
Sure, buffet restaurants often prepare too much food and throw away leftovers. Grocery stores discard fruits and vegetables that don't look perfect. Bakeries throw out unsold bread at the end of the day. This may seem small, but they add up to a big waste.
Why did your group choose food waste as your topic?
We chose this topic because both India and Malaysia are experiencing this issue, although in different ways. We also wanted to raise awareness about how food waste is not just an environmental problem, but also social and economic.
How is this linked to Sustainable Development Goal 12?
SDG 12 is about responsible consumption and production. Food waste fits into this goal because we need to reduce waste throughout the supply chains from production to the plate. It's about making better choices as individuals and as a society.
What message would you like to give to the audience?
I would like to say that food is valuable and wasting it has real consequences. With better awareness and small change, we can all help solve this problem.
Najiha, let's talk about India. What are the main causes of food waste there?
India has a serious food waste problem due to poor cold storage, weak temperature, and bad handling of food waste after harvest. Also, during cultural events like weddings, people cook extra food, which often goes to waste.
What about Malaysia? Are the causes similar?
In Malaysia, the causes are different. People waste food because they are overbuy, especially during sales or festivals like Hari Raya. Poor meal planning and large portion size also contribute to the problem. A lot of food is still edible when thrown away.
And what kinds of food are usually wasted?
Mostly rice, vegetable, fruit, and bread. These spoil easily and are often cooked in a large amount. A study showed that around 4,000 tons of edible food are wasted daily in Malaysia.
What are the environmental effects of this waste?
When food goes to landfill, it produces methane gas, which is harmful to the atmosphere. In India, landfills like the one in Delhi have even caught fire. In Malaysia, waste creates a litter that pollutes soil and water.
And socially, how does food waste affect people?
It's heartbreaking. While food is being thrown away, millions of people are still hungry. In India, over 189 million people are undernourished. In Malaysia, around 4 million live with food insecurity. It's a big social injustice. This project opened my eyes. I did not realize how serious the impact was before. This made me aware. Now I know food waste affects real people and I want to do better.
Farah, what are some things individuals can do to reduce food waste?
We can start by planning meals, writing shopping lists, and providing overbuying. Also, storing food properly and checking expiry date carefully can help. Reuse leftover in new meals is a simple but effective method.
Can you share examples of how leftovers can be reused?
Sure. Leftover rice can become fried rice. Leftover vegetable can be made into soup. Even overripe fruits can be turned into smoothie. Instead of throwing them away, we can get creative and save money too.
How can food donation help reduce waste?
Donating extra food to food banks or shelters help people in need and prevent food from going to landfills. It teaches us value like sharing, gratitude, and compassion.
Other than that, what values did you personally learn through this topic?
I learned the importance of being responsible and thoughtful. We must care not only about our own needs, but also about the environment and those who are less fortunate. Even small action like compassion can make a big difference.
Has this project changed the way you handle food in daily life?
Definitely. Now I plan better, avoid wasting food, and try to spread awareness to my friends and my family too.
Farah, what are the environmental and economic effects of food waste?
Environmentally, food waste releases methane gas, which is bad for the climate. Economically, it wastes the food and resources used to grow, harvest, and transport food. For farmers and families, it means a direct loss.
What role does the government play in solving food waste?
Government can improve school students, transportation, and food distribution. They can also support food sharing program and enforce regulations that reduce waste at the commercial level.
What about schools and business?
School can educate students about food waste and teach them sustainable habits. Businesses like supermarket and hotel can donate leftover food or work with food banks. Everyone has a role.
What values does this topic highlight at a community level?
It teaches us empathy, teamwork, and responsibility. In both India and Malaysia, there are community projects that show how people working together can reduce food waste and help others.
Do you think change is possible?
Yes, but we need both personal effort and support from the system. If awareness turns into action, we can definitely reduce food waste together. Okay, Beatrice, what is your overall conclusion after studying this issue?
Food waste is a serious issue in both India and Malaysia. It affects the environment, waste money, and add to hunger problem. If we don't take action, the damage will only get worse.
How does food waste reflect moral and social values?
It shows how much is value food and how we treat others. Throwing away edible food while others are hungry is not just wasteful. It's wrong. Reducing food waste is about being fair and caring.
What can young people like us to do to make a difference?
We can start by changing our habits, educating others, and supporting food donation and community projects. Even small action like saving others leftover can have a big impact over time.
How does this relate to building a better future?
By reducing food waste, we help protect the planet, support those in need, and make sure resources are used fairly. It's not just about saving food, it's about creating a more responsible and caring society.
Thank you, Beatrice, and thank